Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing product to share with you, the Mop and Broom holder. If you're looking for a convenient and versatile solution to keep your cleaning tools, garden tools, and everyday household items organized, then this is the perfect product for you. With 5 slots and 6 hooks, this broom and mop organizer wall hanging can hold up to 11 tools with a capacity of 7.5 pounds per slot. It's not just for brooms and mops, it's a garage organization, cabinet storage for laundry room decor and accessories, and garden tool storage solution all in one. What's even better is that it's easy to mount and comes with all the necessary hardware. It's durable and secure, with a total load-bearing capacity of 38 pounds. Plus, the easy release design of the slots makes it quick and convenient to retrieve your tools whenever you need them. But wait, there's more. This versatile tool hanger not only keeps your space organized and clutter-free, but it also helps free up floor space by holding everyday household items like umbrellas, shopping bags, and coats. So, if you're ready to take your organization game to the next level, click the link in the description below to get your very own Mop and Broom holder. Trust us, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great product reviews and organization tips.